Hey guys, how's it going, man? This is Jay with Liberty Ring Creations. So we're going to do some supplemental video to our main episodes on the YouTube channel because we want to try and provide as much content as we can for you guys. I've been seeing a really positive response to our first video, our debut. Me and my producer Matt have worked very hard on that. Many hours between video editing, audio editing, and the actual work that we did in the video. So we're really happy. We've had a great response from you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you will know when we post videos. So these are going to be some short videos we're going to make. It's going to be a series of shorter videos, maybe not a full episode, where we kind of dig into how we get to the point of, I know in our first video we showed the bioluminescent resin, we called it. It was inspired by the bioluminescent algae we saw glowing in the waves in North Carolina. But I only showed the resin blank, so I didn't really show any of the process to get to that point. So some of these supplemental videos will be getting a little more behind the scenes, showing more processes on how I get to some of the products I'm using to make these pieces of jewelry, rings, necklaces, whatever it be. Also, we may do some product reviews, some DIY stuff, telling you a little bit more about all the processes. So anyway, today's topic, my daughter came up with an idea, and so this is our mold here that we used for resin. And she wanted to take some pages from a book and cut out the words and pour some resin in there, also with some glitter, and see if, when we machine the resin, if we could potentially read some words on the outside of the ring or the inside of the ring. So we cut these little strips with a bunch of words on them, just from an old random book I had laying around that I was willing to sacrifice for this project, because I don't like destroying books. Kind of a fan of literature on paper. So wasn't my favorite thing to do. Don't like destroying books. But we sacrificed a few pages for this project. And then we poured some resin. She added some glitter. We kept the resin clear because the idea is we want to be able to read the text, or potentially read some text on these little pieces of book pages. So I thought it was a great idea. I've got to give a shout out to my little D. She's just as creative, if not more than me. I think she's more creative than me. So this should be a fun project, and this is just going to be the first video of how we came about with, coming up with resin mold. The resin is now living in the vacuum chamber, which I don't know if you guys can see, is over here. So this is the vacuum chamber here. I have it under vacuum right now. And then I'll relieve the vacuum a little bit to try and degas the resin, take some of the bubbles out of it. And because of the surface area with all these little strips of paper, there's a good chance for more air bubbles. So we're going to try and degas it in the vacuum chamber for probably a couple hours. And then hopefully it'll cure with minimal bubbles. And then when we cure it, the next stage is, once we cure it and we pop it out of the mold, then we should be able to machine it into potentially some cool jewelry, rings, necklaces, whatever. So I think that will be, a future video that we're going to release, a short little vlog, kind of to show you the behind the scenes stuff. So thank you, Devin, for the great idea. So until we see you on the next video, guys, please subscribe, like, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to visit our Etsy store, Liberty Ring Creations. There's a bunch of inventory there of stuff that's already made. Some stuff is custom order, and if you guys want anything custom made, please send me an email or PM me. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram. You guys can find us on all kinds of social media. Reach out to us, let us know if you have any cool ideas. And in the meantime, Post your comments below in the comments section. If you guys think of a crazy idea that I can make something, let me know. We're experimenting with woods, with antlers, with different kinds of metal. So let us know. And thanks for your support, guys. Be safe out there, and we'll see you soon. Can we get one of those things?
Baby shark? Yeah.